Hello, everyone, and welcome to ROKStudios. I'm Stan Miller. I'm the PR and Analyst Relations Manager for Rockwell Automation in the EMEA region. And I'm here with Vicente Centelles Forner. He is of Greene Enterprises, and it's great to have you in the studio. Welcome.
Thank you, Stan.
So before we get into the questions, we're here to talk about sustainability. We're here to talk about technology and how technology can make the world more sustainable. Can you just tell us a little bit about Greene Enterprise as a company?
Yes. Greene Enterprise works in the zero landfill politics and circular economy. So converting waste into high-value products like pyro oils, waxes, and we are working on hydrogen and methanol. So generating without CO2, without greenfield gases, energetic products.
So those types of valuable products that you mentioned, taking those from the landfill and turning them into something worth, something valuable, it almost sounds too good to be true. It's exactly the type of technology that makes the world a better place. So I'm really interested to get your view on sustainability, because sustainability can be a challenge for many customers, right? Many companies. So from your perspective, how can modern digital solutions help cut waste in an operation? What do you think about that?
Well, sustainability has two parts. Reduce waste, reduce energy, assure the health of the people, assure the environment, but also must to be profitable. A company is not sustainable if it has not profits. I think that the digitalization can work in both areas. They are not incompatible. One can help the other one. So the digital twins, the data analytics, the communications with the customers, all these things, and the process optimization, all these things can help in both areas, and all of them are the important ideas in the digitalization.
I think that's really great perspective and context. Can I ask, I'm really interested to learn more about technology. Can we talk about the fact that there's an increased number of sensors, actuators, other digital solutions becoming more common? From your perspective, what role does data information management play in modern manufacturing? Where does the data come in to the scenario?
We can't imagine working without data. Impossible today. So all the data generated for the sensors and PLC and control systems has an incalculable value. Our challenge is to extract that value from the great amount of data we are generating today in almost all modern manufacturing plants, and I think also in all plants also, because nobody is working without data. So we work in two areas, the real time and the offline. No? In the real time, sensors, PLCs, SCADA helps to operate the plant optimally. And we work also in a long-term vision that is to have a plant that works without operator, or perhaps helping the operator. No? An intelligent plant, and a smart plant is our vision for this. On the other hand, we have the offline work with the data. So we have the historization of the generated by the SCADA, an ITL process, extract, transform, and load, to fill a database where it can be easy to work with tools like artificial intelligence, machine learning, neural networks, etc.
So I think those are all really, really good points, really interesting and kind of taking a look future forward. And when we talk about, particularly when we talk about data and smart manufacturing, all of these critical processes in a manufacturing, they can be the targets of cyber attacks, right? So from your perspective, how can manufacturers protect themselves from cyber threats, from security issues? What are your thoughts on that?
I think it's important to separate IT from OT. Information technology, what is called information technology, from operation technology. We can see in the news every day attacks to information technology, but the operation technology are more frequent and more dangerous. So we can forget it. We can't forget it. It's the main work to protect the operation technology. It's indeed more important than the information technology. Of course, protect the information technology is very, very important, but operation technology is most important and most risky. We are working with Rockwell. Rockwell has a very good experience in cyber security, and of course in operation technology is the specialty. No? And the first part is to separate information technology and operation technology networks to create a DMC CITA, demilitarized.
Yes, demilitarized. Yes, so yes, exactly.
I can't pronounce it. And idea, and so on. In our plants, with critical process like pyrolysis and gasification, the risk for the health, the environment. We work with gases at 1,000 degrees. So the danger for health, environment, and of course productivity of the plant in case of attack, the cyber attack, are high. We are working in a solid architecture to avoid this risk.
Makes absolute sense. I mean, and when you talk about the convergence of IT and OT and being able to protect the systems, as you said, right, a very holistic approach that makes sure that systems are secure sounds absolutely critical to a successful operation.
Yes.
Fantastic. Yes. Well, Vicente, I don't have any more questions for you. It's been a great conversation, and we loved having you in the studio, so thank you very much.
Thank you, Stan. Thank you very much.
And thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Rockwell Automation and Greene Enterprise, visit www.rockwellautomation.com.